Hello friends, this is Best Possible Solution and myself Mohammed Shahbaz. Friends, in this video we will learn how to install WhatsApp application in our laptop. First of all, you have to open your web browser and type a website whatsapp.com and then press enter. A WhatsApp website will be open. In right top corner you can see a download option. You have to click on it. In next window you will be find three options. The first one is Android, the second one is iOS and the third one is Windows. You have to click on Microsoft Store. A top-up will be appear, open Microsoft Store. You have to click on it. Then your Windows will be automatically open Microsoft Store and starts downloading and installation process of WhatsApp. The WhatsApp application downloading process may take a few minutes. It depends on your internet speed. When your WhatsApp application will be installed, you can find the option of open. Now we have to close all the windows. We just have to confirm that either WhatsApp application is installed in our system or not. You have to click on start and in search bar you have to type WhatsApp. You can see my WhatsApp application is installed successfully. In right side portion you can see a lot of functions like as you can pin WhatsApp to taskbar, pin WhatsApp to start menu, etc. Then you have to click on open. A WhatsApp application will be open. In this window in center bottom you can find option get started. You have to click on it. A QR code will be appear. Meanwhile you have to open your mobile WhatsApp and the right top corner the three dots you have to click on it. Then the third option linked device you have to click on it. In next window your WhatsApp will be shows the linked device in your WhatsApp. On the mid center green tab you have to click on a link a device. Your mobile will be asked a fingerprints or a password to confirm that you are a real user. On confirmation a QR scan option will be appear. You have to scan the QR code on your system. Your laptop application will be start downloading the messages. It will take a few seconds. On the other side, your mobile will be shows your mobile WhatsApp is connected with the Windows WhatsApp. My WhatsApp application downloaded all the chats of my friends. Now I can use it easily. Friends, hope so this video will be very helpful for you. For more informative videos, subscribe us. See you next time. Stay blessed.